It's so frustrating to get your Merchant Center account blocked by the misrepresentation error, especially since Google isn't really clear about the exact reason behind it. Right now, there is a massive bandwave going on for many e-commerce stores, and you're watching this video because you're facing the misrepresentation error that looks like this. Alright, let's dive right into my screen so I can show you the updated framework with the newest reason why Merchant Center is blocking accounts left and right. Alright, so here you see my updated Merchant Center account. As you can see, we are heading back into the trust and reputation section. I will update you about the full framework another time because this is just an urgent update regarding the trust and reputation. So there are two new things that we recently learned in the last 1.5–2 months that they're actively checking right now. The first one is actually your Trustpilot score. If you have no Trustpilot for your e-commerce store, you're at a high risk of getting a suspension because you're missing actively on important trust signals for your e-commerce store. So the benchmark is to have at least 8 to 11 good Trustpilot reviews active to keep your Merchant Center account healthy, because they are verifying the legitimateness of your website now on third-party platforms such as Trustpilot. So that's why it's essential to have good reviews going on right there, and not, for example, as this website with almost 3,000 one-star reviews. So this is 100% reason to get your Merchant Center blocked the fastest way as possible. So make sure to have that implemented as well. And this update wasn't really aware before. This is all like really urgent and needed from the last recent times. And also the scam advisor score they take in consideration right now after speaking with an insider in the Google Merchant Center team. And what they actually want to see is that the scam advisor score is at least 70 or higher. So what you can do is actually go to scamadvisor.com and implement your URL. That would look like something this, but obviously this is a wrong example because this is from a random website. You can see that the score is just 1, but you need to be at least 70 or higher to get it approved. But there is one way, because sometimes they scrape information from the internet that isn't accurate. So if you have a good and healthy website, you can go to the second link in the framework. So make sure, if you want this framework, to click on the link in the description. I keep it up to date almost weekly with new information that I learn across many accounts. So make sure to actively check that. And to get your scam advisor score up and running, you need to actually go to the link here, Scam Advisor, check a site for me. And that is actually landing on this page. And what you can see here is that you can buy one checkup for the website, because sometimes they scrape information that is not accurate about your website or any other people. So they're offering now a service to manually check and verify if you're a legit source. And most of the time, if you're brand new and you have a low score, this is the way to increase it up to 70, what is needed to get your Merchant Center up and running in the first place. So make sure to select any of these options on the Scam Advisor store if you want a legitimate review of your account, so they can boost up your score, and that brings a better foundation for your Google Merchant Center account. So there are several other trust and reputation things that are important right here, as you can see in my framework, but that's a whole nother topic for another time, because this was urgently needed to tell you guys and update you about this newest news. So now that you know exactly what has been changed recently in the Merchant Center, it's essential to get your account up and running without losing any more time and money. If you need help getting your Merchant Center account back, make sure to click on the link in the description to see what options I offer to help you. And after that, watch the recommendation video where I show you in deeper detail how to unblock your Merchant Center the fastest way possible. I see you there.